What's up, YouTube? I started filming, taking all the birds from the loft, but I don't know what went on with that video. I didn't get save it. So these are the birds I create up. These are all my pigeons, old bird, young birds for 2022. And I have a hen inside of there. She's on babies. The babies is at least 4 to 5 days old. I don't know. I should put it on flat. It seems she's trying to move up. I don't think she'll move up that much. I have them in my storage area. This is a little safer than upstairs in my loft, because my loft is actually, for those who follow me, my loft is on top of my roof. So what goes on is that the storm, most likely my roof, my loft is not built down. My roof is concrete. So where I live, the storm wouldn't lift up concrete, right? They'll more go with roof galvanized. Okay? Anything with galvanized, they will go with. Basically, the storm doesn't really move concrete that easily. And my roof is even built is bolt down. As you all can see, this is my roof. This concrete structure here, right? This is my existing roof, which is this roof you guys are seeing here. My loft is up there, right? I have a door where I can go upstairs and access my pigeons. I brought them down here because we have a storm is coming. The storm is going to be hitting around 6 o'clock, right? The time right now, I don't know the time. I ain't see any time. Okay, the time is 3:23. So we have 2 hours and about 32 minutes again for the storm to really reach. But the rain already started. The rain already started, guys. Right, let me put on this light here. The rain already started. The sky is white. As you all can see, it's raining right now. I don't know if you all can hear. But that's the sky. That's the sky. The sky is white. We're expecting storm in about 2 hours and a half. Just now, guys. Let me give you all some more footage of the birds. Right, that's them. That's all my pigeons I have. Old bird, young bird. 1 bird, 2 babies. Trophies. A fancier, I call them a fancier because once you're mining pigeons and you race sometime in your life, even if it's once, I call them pigeon fancier. You have to give them some kind of name, right? A fancier once told me, I give them my birds to train for me because where he lives, it's actually where I'm racing from. So it's a little more easier than when he trained it, because he's living down south side and the first race is coming from south. But I am actually telling him where I want my birds to release. He's actually telling me, apparently you don't want to win. That's what he said. He said apparently you don't want to win. You see you see all these trophies here? Trophies all along there. Right? I have trophy here. I have trophy all here. Right? This is what he's telling me. Apparently you don't want to win. If you guys can look in the back there, you can see plaques too also. I also have a whole set of diplomas to frame. So I don't know. I don't know what is true. What do you think? You think I buy them trophies or what? Let me try and show you guys my loft for those who now start to follow me. I have this key here. Right. I'm gonna open the lock. I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit how my loft is. Why the rain or the storm may move it. It never been destroyed before. Right, the rain is falling. This is how my loft is. right? It's not bowl long, it's just resting on the ground, as you guys can see. Right, I'm in the rain right now, guys. The storm is coming. Okay. Right, you see, it's just resting on the ground. The loft is not bowl long. It's not bowl long. This is my loft. That's the weather. It's really getting on. Just remember, this is northeast. South is a little brighter because the rain is actually coming from this direction. The storm is actually coming here. Here is where the storm is coming. This is my loft. As you can see, I'm gonna go in the back of the loft. I'm getting a little wet. This is it. Right. I don't know what the storm is gonna do to it. Right. I'm getting all the rain right now because I don't want to get sick. And then start to feel myself. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the lock so the storm could actually move my trap door. Okay. Taking my time and go back down the stairs. So my babies are safe. My birds are here. They're out of the loft. And whew, what can I say, guys? This is the first time. I don't know if you guys can see the babies are there. The mother is trying to settle. I don't want to hamburger too much. She's inside of here. Oh God, I don't want to move her up too much. But I want you guys to see. Right? Hold on. There she is. With the babies. In the box. So, the rain is getting harder now, guys. The storm is coming. It's coming earlier than before. I don't know if that's the rain or not the storm. They say the rain will come and then the storm will come after. But this is the hen. The babies are 4 days old. I hope she sits on them, keep them warm. Right? This is my birds here. Okay. These are all my birds. Alright. I'm going to leave the light on for a little while, but it's too early for them to go and sleep. The rain is getting. There's my wife. She just come home. Alright. Opening the gate. As you guys can see. The storm is coming. Storm is coming, guys. Let me close the gate. My animals are safe. My dog is right there. Right. The storm is here. Heavy rains. Heavy rains. Everybody's inside. Heavy rains, guys. Heavy rain, heavy rain. My babies are inside. You know, I will keep you all up to date what's happening, right?